Hey, what's up, guys? So it's me, Muhammad, and today I'm gonna show you a method of how can you build an AI portfolio using AI only. So let's get into it, and you're gonna understand everything by time. So first of all, we're gonna need this website, which called lovable.dev. It's a website that help you build anything, any website, any application using prompts, and that's it. So the second thing that we're gonna need is this OpenAI platform, which is ChatGPT platform, of course, because that's the that's the thing, the main thing that gonna respond, that gonna interact with the users. So of course, before build something in the Lovable, we're gonna we're gonna need a very organized prompt to input here. So how can we make an organized prompt? First, we need ChatGPT. Yes, we only need AI. So let's say we want the portfolio about you yourself. So first thing you need to give ChatGPT all the information about yourself. You give him not everything, but the main information that needs to be shown on the website. Not not the information that the OpenAI will respond with it, but just for the design purposes, because the other informations are gonna get saved in the OpenAI platform using the assistant. Okay, so let's get on to it. I'm gonna say, give me a prompt for lovable AI about this. Okay, what's this? A an AI portfolio